Hello everyone, and welcome back to exercise number 18 of the SolidWorks Basic Tutorial Series. In this video, we're going to be designing a stop plate. Now, a stop plate is a common mechanical device that helps prevent or limit the motion of certain mechanical components at a precise location. They're usually found in machines that have moving parts within them, and they sort of act like constraints to motion. Here we see a 3D representation of a typical stop plates component. Modeling this in SolidWorks, where we're going to be using the extrude boss base feature, the extrude cut feature, and also implement many of the sketch tools. Here's the detailed drawing of exercise number 18. This is the isometric view, top view, and side view. All dimensions are in millimeters, and everything you need to model this in SolidWorks should be present within this image right here. So yeah, with that aside, let's get started with exercise number 18. Okay, so let's start by first closing this window. Let's open a new SolidWorks part. Set the background to plain white and copy exercise number 18 into SolidWorks for better viewing. Okay, so to model this, I think the easiest step, or the easiest step to start is to actually sketch the profile of this base right here, and then use the extrude boss base feature to create a thickness, right? So instead of actually drawing one big circle right here and then connecting it with lines, we're going to draw a rectangle, all right? And then we're going to smooth out the edges, the two edges, to create the radius right here. So let's select top plane, sketch, and let's draw a rectangle. Go to center rectangle and draw a single rectangle. Looking at the image here, we see that the rectangle should be right here. The radius of this larger circle right here is 46, right? So this side right here should have a dimension of 46 times 2, because this is a radius, which is 92. Now, for the overall length of the rectangle here, we see that this is 73, and we have a radius of 46. So we say that this edge right here has a length of 73 plus 46, which is 119. Now go to features, extrude boss base, and we're going to extrude this to a thickness of 16 millimeters right here. See, the side view here shows that the base has a thickness of 16 millimeters. So enter a thickness of 16. Right. Now to create the circular profile here, we're going to smooth out the edges, these two edges right here. So select fillet and enter a fillet radius of 46. Select these two edges, 1 and 2, and click OK. Now we're going to create the hole here at the top. So select this face, sketch, go to circle, and we're going to draw one circle using the center of this larger circle right here. The circle has a diameter of 38 millimeters. So this circle here has a diameter of 38. Go to features again, extrude cut. We're going to cut this all the way through the component. Now we're going to work on this triangular solid right here at the bottom, and these set of cubes, or cuboids if you like to call them, right here at the top. So select this face, sketch, go ahead and draw the triangular profile right here at the bottom. So we start from here. Then go to corner rectangle and draw the rectangle here at the top. Go to Smart Dimensions, and we see that the rectangle here at the top has a length. This edge right here should be 22 millimeters, while this edge should be 29. Looking at the triangle here, this side should be 57 millimeters, and this side should be 22. Now go to Features, Extrude Boss Base, and we're going to extrude this to a thickness of 16. As you can see here, the triangular profile here is extruded exactly to a thickness of 16, right? It's the hidden line. So click this button to reverse direction and enter a thickness of 16. Now we want to mirror these two features to the other side. So go ahead and select right plane and then go to mirror. Here in the dialog box, it asks for the features to mirror. So you go ahead and select this cube here. See? And click OK. Now we're going to work on this middle cuboid here. So select this back face here, sketch, go to corner rectangle and draw a single rectangle. Centralize this rectangle with respect to the origin right here, and make the relation between the two vertical. Go to Smart Dimensions and assign a thickness of 16 millimeters and a height of 22. This should be 22. Now go to Features, Extrude Boss Base. We're going to extrude this to the other side, all the way right here, see, 29. All right, so let's delete this image. And that concludes exercise number 18. Let's go ahead and assign a material, metal, steel, and let's select cast carbon steel. Gives that a nice gray color, and select OK. Okay, so yeah, that was exercise number 18. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in exercise number 19. Until then, bye-bye.